Hi children, welcome to the session. Before session I explained about the number names, numerical forms and expanded form. In Indian system, not international system. Today we will discuss about international system. First day I explained about the both systems are there. I told one is Indian system, one is international system. Now Indian system completed. Now I will explain the international place value system. See, in international place value system, observe the box, observe the tabular form. See, international place value system. In international place value systems, we will write same Indian system. How to write the place values? Like that we will write first in international system started from ones, next tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. See here, thousands, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. One more time, see ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 million. See here, in this international system, 100 million, 10 million, millions. These three are, it will be, we will call is millions period. These three we will call millions period. Here 100,000, 1,000 and 1,000 we will call, it will be is a thousands period. As usually these three we will call, it will be ones period. Okay, this is the international place value system. See, what is the difference between the Indian place value system and international place value system? See, up I wrote in international place value system. Now down I will write Indian place value systems. Observe it. First ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This is the, I told this is international place value system. This is the international, this is Indian. This is the international, this is Indian. See, observe it. First ones, tens both are same, hundreds both are same, thousands both are same, 10,000s also both are same, but in international system here will come 100,000, in Indian system will come lakhs. In the Indian system lakhs, international system how many? 100,000. Here millions, 10 million, 10 lakhs, 10 millions, crore, 100 millions, 10 crores. See, till here both are same. See, 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? 100,000s. Till 10,000s both are same. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000s. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000s. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000s. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. Crores is equal to 10 millions. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. 10 crores is equal to 100 millions. Very, very important, see children. See, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000s. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. Crore is equal to 10 millions. 10 crore is equal to 100 millions. Okay, isn't it? First one is a place values. In international system, this is the Indian system. These both are crores period. This is a lakhs period. This is thousands period. This is ones period. As usually it will be last three are same. Then whenever we are keeping commas in international system, if from right to left, every 3 digits we will take. From right to left, every 3 digits we will keep. Because of 3 digits. Period values is 3 digits in international system. Indian system already 2 to first 3, next 2 to 2. I explained before session. Okay. Now see how to write in words and expanded form in international system. See, One example I will say. Example 9 7 3 4 8 6 2 5 1. He gave like this. This number we have to write in international system place values. In international place value system, number name in figures and expanded form. 3 at a time we will write. Okay. First what we have to do? We can write this one according to the place values in international system. What is there? We have to write. First one is what? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000 not lakhs, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. These millions will come only in international place values. Now arrange the whatever numbers he gave. First one 1, 5, 2, 6, 8, 4, 3, 7 and 9. Period difference are there. This is millions period. This is thousands period. These are ones period. Okay. First what is that? In words. We have to write in words. First one is in words. In words. In words meaning what? How many periods are there? In one period, how many digits are there? We can write. First is what? Which period? That is millions period. Millions period, how many digits are there? 9, 7, 3. 973 we will read as 973. 973. 973 millions, 973 million. Next, how many thousands? 486 thousands. 846,000, 486,000, 200, 251. This is a what? Number name in international place value system. 973 million, 486,000 and 251. Next one in figures. In figures what is there? Whatever he gave number you can write directly. Every period we can keep commas. First is ones period. Next is 3 digits is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 thousands period. Every 3 digits will keep comma in the international system. So next one expanded. See, whenever we are writing number, after number how many digits are there? Those many zeros we will keep. 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 zeros. Next one 9 after which one is there? 7. 7 after counted digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next it will become 3. 3 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next after 4. 4 after 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Next 4 after 8 is there. 8 after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Next 6 after 3 digits are there. Keep 3 zeros. 2 after 2 digits are there. Keep 2 zeros. 5 after 1 zero is there. Keep 1 zero plus 1. Okay, this is the international system place values expanded form. See one more, observe it. 973 millions, 486,251. Okay, this we have to write in words. In figures is what? Every 3 digits we will keep comma in a, every 3 digits we will keep comma in international system whenever we are writing in figures. Okay. Next one, expanded form. Whatever it will be is there, expanded form, whatever I told in the Indian system, same expanded form we will write, but in this place values are different. Okay. Thank you children. Then next session I will explain about the face values, place values and predecessor and successor. Okay. Thank you.